Thank you to Kobo Rakuten for sending us this sample. This is the Kobo Remote. This is the first time we've seen anything like this from one of the big three, which is Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and Kobo. None of them have ever made this type of product before, and subsequently, because Tolino is owned by Rakuten, they have the same thing except in a Tolino variant. But for now, we'll focus on this one. Inside, you get the remote itself, a lanyard loop, a battery, unless they mean you need a battery, and the documentation. On the back, you see it designed by Rakuten Kobo, and that will say the same thing on the back of the Tolino one as well. You have a little QR code, which seemed to be oh no, it's not an afterthought. They're doing their little dots again. Their braille thing, and Rakuten Kobo logo on that side, and all the stuff on the bottom. And it looks like you have a rip strip here as well. So inside, we'll just look at this first. You have the Kobo Remote, and this is in a ton of languages. Look at that. Wow. Oh my goodness, look at that. It just accordions out. Where's the English? How to use your remote. Back, forward. Oh, okay. That's pretty easy. It's like one of those Amazon remotes. And then you have the pair. Oh, there we go. Okay, here's some more information. You have a pairing button at the very top. You have an LED indicator, flash blinking equals pairing mode, slow blinking blue, reconnecting, unblinking light is paired. And then you press and slide the back panel for the battery, and there's that lanyard slot. So go ahead and hold on to this if you need to know how to pair your unit. And we just have some regulatory information because there's a lot of language. This is a thick boy. There's a lot of info in there. Now let's look at the unit itself. So the unit is right here. We'll leave that to the very end, and it looks like it's telling me on the... Oh, there it is. So we have our little lanyard loop thing. Now this is obviously for your hand to go like that so you don't drop your remote. Although it's, you know, I'm not playing it lightly, but it is pretty cheap and cheerful. It's only a $30 bill, so it's not going to break the bank if you drop it. And these are pretty rigid, and I don't know because I just opened it, but I can tell these type of things have very little circuitry that is dependent on it not dropping. It's totally fine. It's a lot of curved edges, so this has a strong aversion to damage. You can drop this all day long. It's also very light, so you would slide this down. Oh, that's hard. Whoa, that's really hard. Okay. And you have this little strip. You can rip it without it, but we just wanted to show you the inside here. So you can undo that, and that engages the connection between the battery terminal and the actual body. So that's the little strip, and you can put this back on and away you go. And of course, when you press that, you'll see that it starts blinking. For now, this is everything that comes in the box with the brand new Kobo Remote. We needed to show everything in the box because it does have a little bit of a substantial following. The fact that this is the first of its kind for any of the major players to release, and it is not third party. This is a first party accessory. This is very exciting. I'm going to show you all about it when we crack out our Kobo and see if this works on any other devices. For now, enjoy, and we'll see you on the review.